What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Central Florida Fishermen. I'm Chad. I'm here with Don today. We're gonna do some inshore fishing, see what we can catch. We got some fiddler crabs, we have some shrimp. We're just gonna fish some docks, fish some boat bottoms, maybe hit some mangroves. We don't know yet. Sun's not up. It's working its way out. A little overcast, which I think is gonna make for a perfect morning. Not real hot right now. We got something working up through there, but we're gonna get at it. No need to waste time talking. Oh, a nice one. Oh, that's a good one. He's a keeper.
Well, if we don't break him off, we don't have a net, do we?
Yeah.
Here, I'll just swing him in.
Nice.
He's got to be 12. He's gonna be close.
Yeah, he's gonna be close. All right, let me get this catfish off and I can get back to filming here. All right. All right, so let's see what we got here for a measurement.
Oh, you got a measure? You want me to measure?
Oh, go ahead, yeah.
I'm just trying to get my hook set real quick. He's gonna be 11, I think. 0. No, he's way past 12.
Yeah,
he's 12 easy. Without even a pinch tail, he's past 12, and I'm past the 0 this way, so yeah, we're good.
Yeah,
I'm past the 0, so
yeah. Let's keep him. Throw him in with the
make him a feeder.
Oh crap! Crap!
Oh shoot, that's not good. And you can't turn it on either.
Well, I'm gonna, but it's real low.
All right, shut it off just enough.
That's a good fish. Hold him up so we can see his. Look at that. That's a nice sheepsy right there. All right, man. Get this out of the way. Get him in there. We'll put a shrimp on and see what kind of action that gets.
What can actually do? You put a shrimp on that little hook.
Well, I'm gonna do a big rod, just in case there's some big snapper laying up under here. Huh?
Right in the middle of the blue road.
That's where them snook are. Oop.
He's hit already. You got him. Catfish.
No, snook.
Snook.
Little snooky.
Yeah. I seen it hit as soon as it hit the water. Boom.
Pretty little snook.
Yeah, man.
Little baby.
They gotta eat too, right?
Yep.
Who cares that the bait's as big as they are?
Look at that. That's a pretty little snook. He's gonna be big one day. Real big. And then she'll be a she. That's the one thing about snook. They go from male to female. Oop, he's gone.
That is a mullet.
That looks like a mullet, yeah.
Big mullet. Yeah. Big old mullet.
Oops, something chasing my shrimp. Look at him jumping. He just came up to the top. Yeah, I'm getting hit by a little snapper right now. No, Not a mangrove.
Lane? Mutton?
No. A dog snapper.
Cow snapper?
Or a, I think it's a dog snapper.
I don't know. I've never caught one of those.
Look at the pattern on him.
Neat.
Yeah, he's pretty. Way different pattern. That blue line on that eye is crazy. He's got them real yellow fins underneath.
Yeah. He's
Don't,
pretty.
yeah, you don't catch many of them this far north.
Yeah, we just bring these for disguise. Oh, there's a hit already.
Got him.
Little snapper.
Yeah, good little snapper.
He's white. Over these white sands on these sunny days.
Yeah.
Open up your teeth, bud.
He's gonna open them up on your finger. Keep your hands that close to his mouth. That's a good one there.
I don't know how long he is, but
Now he'll throw them back. If they're not monstrous.
14 or bigger.
Yep, that's it.
That's so fun because they're laying in the middle on their side, but as soon as you grab them, they come to life.
They're ready to go.
Or they're trying to fake it. They've been in a live well before. You just lay on your side. They won't mess with you. Got it, wood.
Yeah, it's little. That's what's pounding us right here. Little snappies. Ouch, stuck me.
Snapperoo.
He gave me a little snappy. He gave me a little snappy, all right. Happened last week too. I got stuck pretty good.
Oh, it was one of them trick snappers. Look.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, he takes your bait and hooks you up with something different.
I've caught one of them once.
Snapgician.
Now we'll be re-rigging.
There he is.
You got one?
Yep. Feel like good snapper.
Yeah, it is. That's a real good one. He's only about 12. Want the pliers? Nope. Pull it right out. Yeah, that's a good little snapper.
Let's see.
About 12.
Not quite. Just under 12.
Just under?
Yep.
Yep, throw him back. Good fish. He's got some growing to do. Ah.
No blackbird. Wow.
A lot of poles out through there.
I can see the shadows of them.
Something there.
Got one.
Yeah, you do.
Little snooker or trout? Snooker.
Is it?
Yep.
Oh, yeah, look at him. Got one.
We'll record mine.
Yeah, I don't think we want to double up like this.
That's the wrong kind of doubling up right there.
Yeah.
double?
It's called the dirty double. Yeah, it is a good little snook. One day he'll be big.
Oh, I forgot you had to take off your snook.
Yeah, I gotta get my...
Take your snook off?
I don't know what I did with my... Oh, there they are. Alright, my snook's gone. Safe release. Go get that fish I just caught, dolphin. Yep.
Look, he turned right around. Look at him. He's right here looking at me.
Snapper. Not a bad one.
No, he's a cute. Look, who's right here to get
Yeah, I know, man.
You gotta let him in real quiet. Wait for him to go away and let him in real quiet.
I still see him down here.
Don't drop him, because if you drop him,
I know, but he's
you
here.
set him.
He's here somewhere. Right here, look at him.
Yep. Go to the other side of the boat and set him in real easy.
Flap your hand and make it look like the fish, and then I'll throw him over towards the mangroves. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
All right, he's in the mangroves. Like in the mangroves. Haha, sucker. There's one that I did that to, and he came and just wrecked my whole spot the whole way down the
Pissed
shoreline.
him off, did you? Go back out. Let's not wreck this whole spot. Oh, stop. Well, we have gone through some hooks and weights today.
Oh, there we go.
Got him.
Got him.
Good one, huh?
Yeah, good one, real good one.
Let me know if you need my assistance.
I'm gonna need you to lip him.
Like a bass?
Yep.
Oh,
Yep.
when you-
Or net him.
Oh yeah, he's good.
Yeah.
I'm coming. Here you go. Can you slide back there and bring him to me up here? Turn your trolling motor though, if you would, please.
Crap.
Don't put us in the bushes. He's hooked good, so you got him out of the water.
Okay.
Bring him up to me. And... Hey, don't open up.
Nice. Nice. That's a good one.
All right, shut her down and let's float. Oops. Oh, I did really almost lose him.
Yeah. Here, I'll get a.
Get him picked up.
Is that not a bad little snook?
He definitely a good little snook to bring home and clean.
But yeah, nice.
But it's not that time.
Nope, he's heading back in. All right. Time to head back. Let's watch him swim away.
Where's that dolphin?
I don't know. I'm gonna have to turn.
He's not around, I don't think. Oh, something just moved up there, but we're good. We're good.
I'm gonna take him over to the mangroves.
If that dolphin was here, he would have done come up and grabbed him out of your hands.
Yeah, we'll get him going here and get him in the mangroves.
Well, one just hit up in front of us. You're gonna kill our next ones. Let him go, he's good.
There he goes.
Right up in here. Yep. He gone.
All right, perfect. Got him. Yeah. Little baby Snooky. Oop, he's gonna skip me, he's gonna cut me. If I'm not careful.
He will catch you, that's for sure.
If I'm not careful, I'm gonna get cut. All right, pretty little guy. Get him right back in the water. All right, get out of here, bub. There he goes. Get back in the mangroves. Well, everybody, that's going to wrap it up. We're going to get out of here. We're going to go get some lunch. It's mid-afternoon, and it is hot. Got some snook, some snapper. We are going to turn this sheep's head loose. No need to take home just one sheep's head. I thought we'd be able to get a lot more until that lady came out on the dock and started raising a bunch of cane and scaring everything out of there. So we're like, whatever, we left that spot, we'll leave it alone. We'll turn this sheep's head loose and catch him another day when he's bigger. But everybody, thank you so much for watching.
Have a good day.
And we're out.